how to send calls to voicemail on iPhone. So the easiest way to send incoming calls to your iPhone voicemail is by knowing your voicemail contact. So if you know your voicemail number, you can easily forward all incoming calls to voicemail. But if you want to manually put or forward all incoming calls to voicemail on your phone, this is easy to do. So the first thing you want to do to send calls to voicemail on your phone is when you have an incoming call on your phone. So let's say you have an incoming call on your iPhone and you're in the meeting and you want to send the voice to voicemail straight. Then once your phone starts ringing, just like this, go ahead and click on voicemail. This is going to send the call to voicemail, and then you're going to see waiting. Then, hey, Dotun, how are you? It's been a while, so I've just been trying to reach out to you and now I couldn't. So please, when you see my call next, please do call me. Thank you. Now, once you have your voicemail, you're going to have the notification just like this. Now, to listen to the voicemail, just click on the dialer app. Then here, you're going to see it here. Click on it. Then you're going to go ahead and hit the play button. So let's put this on speaker. You see that? So that is how you can easily send calls to voicemail on iPhones. If you don't want to send all your incoming calls to voicemail, you can manually send a particular call to voicemail, and when the voicemail is left, you can now go ahead to phone app, click on voicemail, and then listen to it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.